Nagkakaroon ka ba ng problema sa dandruff combined with dull and lifeless hair? Alam niyo ba na kahit sa anti-dandruff shampoo, pwede pa rin maging dry ang hair? Malalaman mo na meron kang dry scalp at meron kang dandruff kapag may nakikita kang large flakes in combination with smaller flakes and dry scalp. And also, if you have itchy scalp, that also points to dandruff and dry scalp and hair. Kaya kailangan alagaan natin ating hair and scalp to make sure that it remains moisturized and healthy. Kailangan dandruff-free at maganda pa rin ang ating hair. That's why I choose an anti-dandruff shampoo that can do both.
Pili kami extra moisturizing anti-dandruff shampoo.
It contains selenium sulfide 1%, which is an antifungal and helps with dandruff. Plus, it contains honey extract, arginine HCl, and lysine HCl that can help repair dry and damaged hair by protecting and retaining the moisture in the scalp and the hair, leaving them not only clean and flake-free, but also more conditioned after every use. With arginine and lysine being amino acids, it helps to build proteins. And since hair is made up of protein, particularly keratin, amino acids can help strengthen it. Kaya no dandruff, healthy at moisturized pa ang hair. And that is of course